All right, students, today we will be discussing what is focus. Okay, see, I taught you everything. I taught you yesterday. I told you about principal axis. I told you about center of curvature. I told you what is focus. But now, how is focus formed? Why are we making that point of focus? I'll be telling you that. Okay, see, focus is a point. You see, in this case, this is focus. Focus is a point where reflected light concentrate. Right? Focus is a point where reflected light meet or intersect. Okay, here also what happens is reflected light are not meeting with one another. You can see this, right? But here what we are doing, when we are tracing it back, okay, then we are getting a focus. All right, when we are like this kind of image, the image which is formed after a trace back, okay, after a trace back is known as virtual image, but the image which is formed by the real ray of light is known as the real image. All right, so in this case there is a formation of, in case of concave mirror, there is a formation of real image, because actual ray of light, okay, is producing the image. Okay, but in case of convex mirror, what happens is actual ray of light will not be able to make the image, because see, the focus, curvature, everything of this mirror is at the back, isn't it? For this mirror everything is at the front, but for this mirror everything is at the back, right? So we know that in case of reflection, light cannot enter from one medium to another medium, right? We know in case of reflection, light will strike the medium and then it will go back to that particular medium only, right? Reflection means just bouncing back of the light, okay, into the same medium. But the refraction means entry of the light, right? We are not talking about refraction here, we are talking about reflection. Mirror, they always reflect. Okay, so in this case what happens is, you see, the light is coming, okay, it is hitting the surface and then it is turning this side. Here also the light from the object is coming, hitting the surface and turning this side, and this point where the light, all the light ray meet, is known as focus. All right, and in case of this mirror, okay, light ray will not be able to concentrate inner side, because this mirror is the outer portion of mirror is there, so the light will be forced to bend this side, okay, because you see this portion is curved, right? So what happens is light will be turning this side, but you see this portion is bulge, so light will not be able to concentrate this side, rather the light will be going like from far away from one another. Okay, but then if all the reflected ray of light are going far away from one another, why do we see image from a convex lens? There might be some reason, right? So what scientists did, they just made this kind of dotted ray of light from the reflected rays. All right, and then they got a point or a focus point, and they named that point as focus. Okay, and the distance between focus and the like pole is known as focal length. All right.